Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Welcome to another exciting episode on this channel. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how to lock and unlock any PDF file in Photoshop. So if this seems to be interesting to you, kindly hit on the like button and subscribe and share. And again, give me any comments and any ways and means in which you think this tutorial has helped you. This is part of the Photoshop quick tips and tricks that we have embarked so far. So without wasting much time, I have this flyer I created nicely and I want to use this as the tutorials on it. So quickly, if you are saving control shift plus X on the keyboard, and then the saving option will appear. Good. Saving option will appear. In this side, let's save it as a copy. Then you go to this save as type. Quickly, then you pick a PDF, Photoshop PDF. So this is what you select, and then let's clear this out. So I have original design already, so I'm saving it on my desktop. Anyway, any place you want to save it, I'm saving it on my desktop for the purpose of these tutorials. Then I'll click on save. Then the more options will appear for you to, so you realize that the setting you are choosing in this, the setting you choose in the save Adobe PDF dialog can override your current setting in the saving as dialog box. Okay, so I prefer it. Now this is also where the magic will be done. So go to security and then set this side, require a password to open. Good. Then at this side, you use the password in which, any password in which you want to put it on it. So maybe we want to set it as a password. Yeah, so in this option, you type the password you want to put on the details. So maybe I want to use caps pass. Okay, so maybe this is my password I've set, and then I copy it and time. Then maybe at the same time I want to use it as an, when someone want to print or when somebody want to make an editing on it to, I want them to repeat the same password. So okay, so the password requires an open document PDF editing application. Okay, so that is it. Enable copyright text image. Okay, so maybe basically this is what I need. So I'll click on save PDF. Then I'll go again, save the PDF. The document opening permission password must be unique. Okay. So here we need to change it. So maybe we use all small letters. Okay, good. So then I'll save it. Confirm the password. Good. So that is it. Good. So that is it. Then you save, and then it will save as PDF, and then it will put password on it. Therefore, anybody who wants to open that password or who want to open that PDF must enter the password you provided before that person can open and make any editing on that document. So let's go and check it up. So you close the Photoshop, and then this is it. Good. So in attempting to open the open the PDF file, this is the dialog in which you need to enter the required password before you can open, or you can open or edit the PDF. So maybe I tried to enter a wrong password, and let's see. Okay, so maybe this is the password I'm trying to attempt, which is wrong although. So open file, then literally click the password, check your password. Good. So meaning that the password I entered is wrong. Therefore, let me enter the correct password and see. Good. So now it's open. So guys, this is how you lock and unlock any PDF file, or you lock any document in Photoshop and then convert it to PDF. So guys,